Josh, what are you doing? What are you doing? You about to get up and walk over here?
Please welcome multi-platinum singer-songwriter Brian McKnight.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Get over here. Come here. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Yeah? I think you kind of knocked yourself a little bit with that one. How'd that feel? Alright. Come over here so you can watch Pro Bowl with Dad. Let's watch the Pro Bowl. No? That letter O more fun to play with? I'd argue that it might be. It's just the Pro Bowl. Come here. Come here. You gonna stand up? Are you gonna stand up? I see your leg like that. What are you doing? What are you doing? Good. Yep. Don't even think about it. Stop even looking at it. Don't even touch it. There. Don't you let go of that electrical socket. No. Stop laughing at me. Come here. I'm telling Mom. I'm telling Mom right now, Mom. Mom's home. Now you're in trouble. Come here, Mom. Look what I caught him on video doing. What are you doing? Hurry up. Playing an electrical socket. Look at you smiling. What are you doing there, buddy?
Get your fingers out of there. No, no, no.
Got him on video.
Life brings obstacles. USAA brings retirement advice. Call or visit us online.
It's only a matter of time. Hey, Josh Jr., don't even think about it. Come on. Look at him. He loves it. He just loves things on the wall. I've already tried that today. Alright, I'm going to come get you. Mom's going to get you. Get him, Mom. Alright. You should have saw him a second ago. He climbed up on the whole thing. He climbed up on his walker. You. Hey, monkey. Yeah, that's you. That's you. Hey. Is that Mom? Yeah? Who's that? What do you got? What do you got going on over there? Hey, you can play with electrical sockets anymore? Psst. Hey, you. Josh Jr.,